Top 5 heart disease symptoms that your hands can reveal. Your hands may be helpful, but they aren't really crucial organs, so it's simple to ignore problems with them. However, if you don't pay much attention to these limbs, you might want to start. Your hands can exhibit symptoms that act as major warning signals of cardiac issues. 1. Painful lumps in fingers. Don't overlook any painful, hard lumps that have appeared on your fingertips. These lumps, known as Osler's nodes, may indicate infectious endocarditis, an infection of the blood arteries or chambers of your heart that could be fatal. Endocarditis often results from an infection brought on when bacteria enters the body, travels via the circulation, and clings to vulnerable heart tissue. Endocarditis can irreversibly harm heart valves if it is not addressed. Osler's nodes develop as a result of blood vessel inflammation in the region, which subsequently fuels a bacterial infection in the dermis and further inflammation. Osler's nodes often go away on their own and might persist anywhere from a few hours to many days. The infection may often be treated with antibiotics, although occasionally surgery may be required. 2. Red or purple lines under fingernails. The majority of us don't pay much attention when we notice lines under our fingernails. Splinter hemorrhaging, or red or purple lines under your nails, however, may be an indication of a heart condition or an infection. It is thought that in the event of heart disease, clusters of bacteria moving through the tiny blood arteries of the nail bed cause splinter hemorrhages to occur. 3. Clubbed fingers. If you have clubbing, a disorder marked by swollen fingertips and downward curving fingernails, your fingers may also be a symptom of heart issues. Heart disease or an infection of the heart chambers are frequent causes of clubbing. The thumb and index finger are where it often begins if it is caused by heart problems. 4. Waxy lumps on hands. Systemic amyloidosis nodules show up as smooth, waxy lumps on the skin, typically on the palms. The accumulation of protein deposits in the heart that result in these lumps can impair cardiac function. Stiff heart syndrome is the term used to describe the ensuing disorder because these protein deposits can replace the heart muscle and interfere with cardiac signals, leading to irregular heartbeats. The capacity of your heart's chambers to fill with blood in between beats is impaired by amyloidosis. Because of the decreased blood flow throughout the body, waxy lumps on the hands can form. 5. Discoloration on palms. Your heart may be in jeopardy if your palms develop splotchy red or brownish discoloration. This symptom is yet another typical indicator that your heart or other blood arteries have a bacterial infection. Even though the discolored patches are harmless and usually disappear on their own in a few days or weeks, you shouldn't ignore the problem. If you happen to have any of these hand symptoms, it's best to see your doctor soon just to be on the safe side. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.